Good evening again, ma'am. So, I will make another video again because I forgot to show the result. This is my document, HTML document. The title, the title of the tab, color picker, the external link for CSS, the header, like, like title, color picker grid, then the buttons, and then a grid container, and then the external link for JavaScript. So this is the style, the design. So body, text align, and this the font family, and then the H1 for the color picker grid. Margin bottom, just a margin, 20 pixel, and then the color buttons, and then the grid container, and then the container div, and the JavaScript. So we have, you have variables here, constant, immutable, color buttons, and then the container, and then a immutable, uh, selected color variable. Um, this is where we, store the selected color, and then this is this is when the color button is click, um, it will set the selected color. And this is for the creation of the 5 by 5 grid boxes. And then just when the cell block is click, it will change the selected, basta i-click mo siya kay kanang selected color niya kay kung same the selector is mapudto niya mo change siya color atong nga box, atong nga grid, atong nga cell. And so ako ipakita ang example. Wait. So this is the example H1, the choices for like red, and the blue, and then the green, and the yellow, and so on. That's it. Thank you.